Let's take off the shoes and easy. Let's unbrace them.
Gaza.
What's up, bro?
What I pray?
We're for the champions and the match, you know. Yeah, they give you looking forward, you see it?
On the road, that is the father. That's what work look like. On the street.
Give me a Spanish students. Anybody with Spanish students? Anybody with Spanish students? Yeah, man. Wow, uncle. Spanish students. Spanish students.
Gaza, hold some lunch. Lunch time. Take a break with some, have some peanuts.
You save it, bro.
These guys are so lunch, some peanuts, you know. You might forget a break. Sometimes you know eat lunch, you know, saving money. This is real Jamaica. More time we have to bring him some lunch. Sometimes lunch is not much, but you know, it go already. But then in the streets. Jamaica good life. I don't know, I travel the world looking for the best thing in the world. And today, I find something for you. It named Festival. Now this is not a normal festival in a Mandeville. Seaside there. Central Park when you come on to Mandeville. What is my name?
Wesley Steven.
Wesley?
Steven.
Introduce yourself to the world, tell them all about you. The thing, everybody have something unique.
Yeah.
Your thing?
I know. Chicken festival.
How long you start?
Start from about 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, Wash Jump coming up. About 10 o'clock reach here, so.
Wesley. People, when you eat food in Jamaica, you have seen Islay Festival. You know, wicked chicken sauce. You see the combination? What makes Wesley different? Because nobody not do the festival like him.
Island.
No I.
Eat like you put a dumpling in a pot. Dry.
So when you come Mandeville, check out Wesley. Right at the Central Bus Park, where you taxi them there. Randy Sessa.
Right from Kentucky.
Give them your phone number.
891-1268.
Alright, Wesley. We can take one more for the fans them. We're gonna make you international. This one is for no. $60. We're gonna pay Wesley. Wesley. Man, tell you, about 5 of them eat already now.
Meat for morning.
Eh?
Meat for morning.
I just festival you eat?
Wait, what are you doing?
People, the festival them good. And the chicken even more wicked. Wallace. Wesley. It's Jamaica good life. So take care of yourself. People, see them. Come. Wesley for later.
Yeah, they're on the road, man, so I go and do the joggings. Road turn up away. What thing go? So we do the road live, strictly how we do it same way too. Out on the road and them thing there. Yes, people, Sunday morning. Move up the animal them. Move them up in the morning. Alright, peeps, move him out of cow. Morning. Do it.
I want to study. Yeah, study that morning. Yeah?
come the oak and it's there. Jesse. Don't never have to come. Mom, don't never Jesse thing for the coffee, man. Like a magic we see in a yacht. Eh? On a bigger stove in that repair go weird them. I look at how I can lift up, man. Ask the pit them if you want a duct tape. Depend on Jessa, ma'am. time up, man. Eh? I screw up about there. You joke? The camera on, no, done.
No business.
I'm buying a business, me done.
What can I tell you?
The bad over there cost.
I'm not a farmer, cost bad out, man. No cost bad out. You're a farmer, you have to cost everybody.
Drop around here. Joe, run the call, bro. Run the call, bro. Run the call. Yeah? Huh?
Boy, do something up again to suck people now with you.
What? Okay. I spray a car, do you know? Sure, can't hear that up, no. Eh? What, you have to?
one more up. See half five. See half five. What's it?
Jokes in spread. Jokes in spread.
How you on my friend? My friend?
See a joke. The boy get big. If you have it on camera, it's a whole lot of good guys. See there?
Come on, come. Come. You can't come in the spring, man. After spring, your body come on.
I need to use foot too.
Well, I should be able to walk around and walk on road today. Your mind to walk across the road, you want to walk around. Some local class.
Shop cow here.
Don't shut up, mother bar, man.
No bar cow.
Bar shop, man.
Shop cow.
Once a shot.
Once in a send a liquor.
Yeah.
Train more in a cup.
If you don't move me,
Up up your foot. Up your foot.
that's what your head going. Someone, keep for it tomorrow.
Yeah?
Probably have a keep for more tomorrow.
Okay, what that's all.
Pretty, you know?
Same on camera.
I'm more than I'm sure.
That's where I need to foot.
So light up on him, man.
See that. Come here, that's a joke. Come on, though.
And you have two big beds of myself, dog.
Eh?
You have two big beds of myself.
No, man.
I'm at your
My one target, I have a comfy stuff.
yes, it's a whole basket of weather.
Catch a whole of this more put out.
Keep it back. So, yeah, I'm tired, man. Or the play yard, you can find people. See you, people for this.
Buy week with it. That's another thing.
Yeah, I'm a feed out so
You know, say last time we give him a long road, he don't name too much high grass. Because he rope too long. Yeah. So just I give him one more pound on it. And
yeah.
rank, you know that?
Okay, you know? And you keep too. Come on.
talk to me, you know, so she talk to me. Talk to me, man.
Anybody gets like phone, I didn't go find it.
Drive up, man.
Two got one, two got two. Got about 10 more.
Yeah, man. You know what? Yes, I'm gonna go back in the bowl. By 6 months. As in job cap, I just mark it on the calendar by 6 months time. And I put her back out. 6 months time. You understand? Now go. What we can put over that thing? Can duct tape it off.
Ah, man.
When time the cow, time power, we take it. I can't have money. Can't have money go to India.
Daddy will ask me, give the money here and daddy will.
I can't go to India, no Indian can do it free for me.
Yo, they no problem.
Man can do it free too.
Right, I'm a leave.
So right now, the Indian put on a cup over him. Yeah, right, I know. Move a bullet now. Sweet paper. Agenda 1 unit, Lenky live. Can you wash it now? So wash out. So wash out the word. Alright, paper. Lenky there. Move the bullet now. Joke there. Someone around for use indecent language. It's a farmer for use it. So Lenky there. Move up the bull.
Boy, I look different, man.
Mm-hmm.
But I think, you know. Right time.
I can't run now. What's your joke? Can't run. Yeah, green grass. Where pan there? I put him near to the pan. Can't put green grass right there, sir. Right to the pan there. Yeah, man. Up now, Vasa. Yeah? That's not cool cold. No, too cool.
Some sunlight.
Up sunlight, now come up there, sir. Yeah? Ah, yeah. You better plant away. Which part that?
Just cut off piece. Yo, cut off piece. I'm going to plant up there. Cut it sauce.